What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I want to wish you all a very, very happy new year. I decided to kind of take a little break from YouTube for a week just because I wanted to enjoy the holidays with my family and everything. I feel like I'm just starting fresh with you guys. The first thing that I have to jump into, oh my god, we hit 10,000 subscribers. I still can't believe that it happened, and I know it's not a huge number compared to the whole YouTube world, but for me it means so much. It means that all this work that I've been putting into my videos is really paying off. So I want to give you guys a huge thank you. You guys always know that I tell you that how much it means to me that you subscribe to my channel and that you watch my videos from the bottom of my heart. Like, it really does mean so much. So thank you guys. We did it. I can't believe it. Strangely enough, it happened right before the end of the year, so it was like a huge thing to celebrate. So the giveaway that I'm talking about today is for the holidays. It's my holiday gift to you guys, and it's also going towards a good cause, which I will explain in a second. But I don't want you guys to be confused. There is still a separate makeup giveaway. This giveaway is not to be confused with my 10,000 subscriber thank you giveaway. So that one is separate. I still have a bunch of makeup that 3 winners are gonna win, but that is a separate giveaway. I hope that makes sense. This giveaway is towards the holidays. So it was my way to give to you guys, but also to give you guys a chance to give back to something that is really great. I have partnered up with a charity called 109 World, and I'm so obsessed with them and everything that they do. They focus on so many things. They focus on women, on children, on providing water to places that do not have water. They focus on saving animals. They do so many amazing things to help the world and just help people that need help and that need a little bit more of our extra effort. So I've partnered up with them for this giveaway, and I'm so excited because all you guys have to do is go to the website, and all of the information will be linked down below. So I will have a link for you guys where you can enter this giveaway. The way that you're going to enter this giveaway is you're going to click on that link. You will see the campaign that me and a few other influencers are taking part of, and all you have to do is donate $5 to 109 World, and for every $5 is 1 entry. So if you donate $10, it's 2 entries. If you donate $20, you get 4 entries into the giveaway, which makes your chances of winning the giveaway much more likely. So all of the details and every single little rule to enter this giveaway and what you have to do to be a part of it will be down below. So if I miss anything, if you guys are still a little confused from what I'm saying right now, don't worry, all the information is in the description box right down below. So let's just jump right into the good stuff, which is what you guys are getting in this giveaway. I wanted to focus on hair. I feel like my hair has been a topic of discussion lately, and I thought it would be perfect just to kind of get you guys in the mood to try different things with your hair, to style your hair, and also to nourish it as well. Hair goals, like to get amazing hair, I have everything for you in this giveaway. All you have to do is follow the rules down below and enter. So let's get into what you will be winning. So I'm first going to start out with shampoo and conditioner, and you will be receiving my all-time favorite shampoo and conditioner. This line is by Clairol, and it is called Hair Food. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been using this stuff for a really long time. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this might sound familiar to you because I went to an event from them a few months ago, and it was like an eye-opener to everything that my hair needs, and I honestly feel like that's why my hair has been so healthy, still being blonde. Like, my hair is not damaged. It obviously has a little bit of a different texture, but it's not damaged at all, and I really feel like it's because of these products. So when my hair wasn't blonde, I was using the volumizing one. So this is the volume conditioner and shampoo infused with kiwi fragrance. So I used this for a while. You can see it smells so good, first of all. And second of all, I liked the volume for when my hair wasn't colored because it kind of laid flat, but now that it's blonde, it has a lot more texture to it and it just has volume on its own. But when I didn't have it dyed, it was just like very soft and very flat, and I always wanted volume. So I used these for a while and I love them. But now what I use is the moisture shampoo and conditioner. So this one is moisture shampoo and conditioner infused with honey apricot fragrance, and this too smells so freaking good, and they are both very moisturizing, very nourishing for damaged hair, and I feel like this is what has been keeping my hair from getting damaged. And it just, they smell so good. Like every one of these shampoos smells so good. So you'll be winning this shampoo and this conditioner, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. And you will also get a moisture mask that is also the same honey and apricot fragrance. And I've been using this once a week because I'm so paranoid of my hair getting damaged that I'm just like, no, it's not happening. I am nourishing the crap out of this blonde hair, and this right here makes my hair so soft. Once I wash it out, I leave it in for a few minutes and I wash it out, and literally my hair is like so soft. It feels like butter. It's amazing. So these are the 3 things that you guys would be using. This is everything you would ever need for your hair in the shower. So next up, I am actually so obsessed with these next things. You'll be winning 5 items from the brand called Kitsch, and I love Kitsch accessories. They are my absolute favorite. They're just so cute. They have so many little accessories and just things to make your hair look adorable. So the first thing are these set of clips. These are the elevated claw clips, and they're so cute because they're white, but they have like this marble pattern on it, which is adorable. I mean, like, who doesn't like marble now? Marble is all the rage, and I just think they're so adorable. When I'm curling my hair, they're so good for sectioning off like different sections and stuff like that. So they're just really useful. Everyone can use clips, so I wanted to throw these in there for you guys. And then we've got a set of 5 hair ties. These 5 hair ties are also super adorable. They just have different patterns, and these are specifically meant to like not damage or pull at your hair because they're really soft cloth texture, which I really, really love these types of scrunchies. So I know you guys would get a lot of use out of these. I mean, clips and scrunchies, people always need those. Then we've got another little set of hair ties, and these are actually really cool because these are coil hair ties. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these or have ever tried ones like these, but they are so good if you have either thin or thick hair, but like if scrunchies tend to like slip out of your hair, these are meant to grip on your hair without ripping them because they have like that plastic texture. It won't rip at them. They just like slide off of your hair, and the fact that they are coiled, it really holds your ponytails in place. You could do a really, really high ponytail, and if it tends to fall down, it will not happen with these scrunchies. And one has never broken on me. They're really, really cool scrunchies, and I feel like everyone should have some like these. And now these are my 2 favorite like pretty accessories for the hair. So the first one are these little combs. All of these things that I'm showing you are mine. You guys are getting completely brand new stuff. So I just want to show you how these look. They are so cute. They are just these little combs that you can use to accessorize your hair if you want to pin certain sections of your hair away from your face or up. They are so, I love this one. So this one comes with 2 of them, and they're super adorable. You can just take one of these, maybe do like a little twist back, and then you can just comb it right in there, and then you have this gorgeous, like, how pretty does that look? I am obsessed with these. Oh my gosh. And I'm so excited for you guys to have them. And the next little accessory that I have is this bun pin. This is like really chic and edgy to me. I love stuff like this. So obviously what you use this for is you just comb it into your bun. So it's just a cute way, whether you have a low bun or a high bun. How I would do it is I would just lift my hair high up into a bun on the top of my head, and then just comb it right into like the bun area, and it's like, it's just such a cute little detail. It's not too overwhelming, not too busy. If you want something more like chic but simple and very edgy and cool, this is definitely something that you'll get a lot of use out of. So those are the 5 things that you guys will be winning from Kitsch. And the very last thing that you will be winning, which I'm so excited about. I love everything that I'm talking about in this video, which is why I'm like so happy about this giveaway. And the very last thing that you'll be winning is this beach waiver. If you win this giveaway, you will be winning a beach waiver. This costs about $200, so I am so excited to be like doing this giveaway to you guys. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. And not only will you be winning these things, but you'll also, even if you don't win, you'll still be donating to a really, really good cause that helps people all around the world. So it's like you're winning either way. But if you guys watch my channel, you know how much I freaking love this thing. Like, I am absolutely obsessed with this beach waver. It's what I use to curl my hair today. It's pretty much what I use to curl my hair all the time, and this one is an S1, so it's a 1-inch wand, and that's the one that you guys will be winning. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am to get this beach waver, the Kitsch hair accessories, and then the Clairol hair food shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. And I just want to remind you guys that I would never ask you guys to put your money towards something that isn't worth it, or, you know, I would hate for you guys to spend money, but I really, really believe in this cause so much, and I know that not only are you entering to win this stuff, you guys are entering to be part of something bigger. So I really, really hope that you guys can just take those $5 out of your pocket and donate to 109 World. It's such an amazing charity, so I really, really believe in this, and if you win, the more you enter, the more chances you have to win all of this awesome hair stuff. Again, as a reminder, all of the information will be right down below. The link that you need to enter will click there. So I want you guys to comment below and tell me what you're most excited to win, because I'm excited about all of this stuff, but I want to know what caught your eye the most. So as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, because you know how much it means to me more than ever, from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!